Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FreshBooks, manage invoices and expenses step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.freshbooks.com. Press the Enter key to access the FreshBooks homepage. Look for the login option, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Type your password in the password field below. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Click on the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will be greeted by your FreshBooks dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of your active clients and recent invoices. To manage invoices, locate the Invoices section on the left-hand menu. Click on Invoices to view a list of all invoices. To create a new invoice, click on the New Invoice button. Fill in the required details, including client information and amounts. Once complete, click Save or Send to finalize the invoice. To manage expenses, navigate to the Expenses option in the left menu. Click on Expenses to access your expense records. Here, you can add new expenses by clicking on the Add Expense button. Enter the relevant details for your expense, such as amount and category. After entering the information, click Save to add the expense to your records. You can also categorize expenses for easier tracking by using the Editing option. Regularly review your invoices and expenses to ensure they are up to date. This will help you maintain accurate financial records and stay organized. If you encounter any issues during the login process, use the Forgot Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you are comfortable with navigating your account, explore additional features FreshBooks offers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.